talk about a way to increase student engagement. If it has been turned on in the topic settings, students can actually video replies to other students' video responses. To do so, the student would just sign into Flipgrid, access the grid and the topic, click on the student video that they want to add a reply to, a 3-second countdown, and then click on the reply bubble here at the center. So when the student clicks on the reply bubble or button in the bottom center of the window, a recording window opens up and the student can go ahead and record a video much like they would record any video response in Flipgrid. Notice that they even have access to the topic again by clicking the topic button here. They also have access to sticky notes, which they can move around the screen, as well as the other recording options. So the student would click the red record button. I would now go ahead and record my reply. Click next when I'm finished. I would now go ahead and record my reply, do any trimming that I needed to do, and click next when I'm ready to move on. Of course, my response is going to need me to take a selfie. So I'd go ahead and snap my selfie once I'm ready. And again, I can add ink or stickers to supercharge my selfie. And when I'm ready, I click next. Flipgrid uploads my video reply. And again, because this is a moderated topic, my teacher will actually have to approve my response before my classmate will see my reply to his or her video.